But taking that extension just a little bit further, we all...
Okay, I was listening to this young lady, and she's talking about protecting public lands, and she's trying to stop some obscene policy from getting through. So, let's see. She's over here. Oh, where is she? Right here.
I think one of the pieces of this bill that I found...
Okay, well, I'm just trying to get a message to her. What she's talking about, young lady, I strongly suggest you use the Public Trust Doctrine. Look it up. It's on the internet. Okay, it's a requirement in any democracy to protect the lands, the waters, the air, what travels through the air, etc., etc. And to get support, and what you need to do, that is law, okay? So use the law, please. May it serve you well. Also, look up the obligations of public service. I'm quite sure that will serve you well. Okay, it's law. Okay, when you look it up, there's also places to file for violations of the oath, because everybody that takes the oath to serve, and the obligations of public service. I'm quite sure you'll find them as entertaining as I have. I'm trying to reach people like you, Bernie Sanders, progressives. I'm old, but I worry about the next generation and the generation after that. And it's continuous. Okay, but for what you're working on right now, refer to the Public Trust Doctrine, the basic obligations of public service, the oath, and remember, violating that oath is mandatory fines, removal from public service, and incarceration. It's quite easy to look up. Okay, let me get back to...
know that there are lands that are sacred, that have...
See, this is you talking about it right here. Okay, the Public Trust Doctrine is designed to preserve that, and failure to do so is violating the oath. And remember, the Constitution, you could look it up, the Constitution and what it says about the needs of the many. Doesn't directly refer to the needs of many, but in just about every aspect of the Constitution, it refers to the needs of the many are to be served. The needs of the many by far outweigh the greed of the few. Public service is there to serve the public trust. It's in the public interest. It's in the public interest to serve the public trust. And you could find that in the preamble, the rules of professional conduct. So you could actually get every attorney and every judge out there to side with you. This is what creates effective assistance of counsel. Effective assistance of counsel is guaranteed in the Sixth Amendment of the United States Constitution. Failure to abide by the rules of professional conduct, the Code of Judicial Conduct, is thus denying everyone in the United States effective assistance of counsel, because every lawyer and every judge out there is required to do what's in public interest, maintain the public trust, and the public trust is described in the Public Trust Doctrine. Okay, you don't have to speak to me personally. You can refer to my page, Legal Reform. It's on Facebook. I also identify as unaccompanied adult on a few different social platforms. I forget which ones. I'm old. I'm just trying to pass the torch, if you will. You know, what I know is easy to teach. And I'm trying to teach as many people as possible. But right now I need your voice and every other voice out there that is legally required to protect the public trust. It's in the public interest. And those are two legal terms. So you could look those up too. Okay, I'm just referring to the law. And what every attorney and judge out there knows, anybody with a law license will tell you they are legally required to protect what you're trying to protect. You know, use the law. May it serve you well as it served me. Knowing what I know has kept me out of despair. You can contact me if you wish. I have many sources on the internet that you can contact me through. Okay? But use the law, please. Public Trust Doctrine, basic obligations of public service, the oath as well. Not just the oath of office, but the oath of public service as well. You know, remind everybody that, you know, took the oath, you know, and they swore to defend it against enemies, foreign and domestic. So I don't see how anybody could legally even come up with what they're trying to do as you're objecting to. Because no matter who these attorneys work for, they are legally required to do what's in the public interest and maintain the public trust above all. You should read the Rules of Professional Conduct. It's quite interesting and entertaining as well. And the Code of Judicial Conduct, you should read that too. I mean, if you want to understand what effective assistance of counsel is, it's just not a requirement of counsel for defense, but the opposing party. These are the legal obligations of all lawyers and judges in every court of law. Okay, and not just in court of law, but in, for instance, what you're dealing with, and in public life as well. I hope you hear me. I hope this gets to you, because there's no other way I can reach you. I tried reaching quite a few politicians. You know. Peace be with you.